Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, I am going to discuss trigonometric equations, 2 to 3, 4 marks questions important which they asked in the previous years, which are very important for TS and AP intermediate, and it will help in the competitive exams too in TS and AP. Solve sine 3 alpha equal to 4 sine alpha into sine of x plus alpha into sine of x minus alpha. So first given equation you have to write it. Given equation sine 3 alpha is equal to 4 sine alpha into sine x plus alpha into sine x minus alpha. Sine 3 alpha, 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha. This is the formula for sine 3a, 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Once again I will repeat, sine 3a formula, 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a is equal to 4 sine alpha. This value is there now. It is in the form of sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. Sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b is sine square a minus sine square b. So sine square x minus sine square b value is what here? Alpha. From these two, sine alpha I am taking common. So what are the remaining terms? 3 minus 4 sine square alpha is equal to 4 sine alpha. So sine square x minus sine square alpha. So both sides sine alpha will be cancelled. Later on simplification, 3 minus sine square alpha is equal to 4 times of sine square x minus 4 times of sine square alpha. Both sides minus, here 4 sine square alpha here and here will be cancelled. That implies 3 equal to sine square 4 sine square x. So that also can be written as sine square x is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 can we express in terms of square? We can. So how to write it is sine square x is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. So for sine 60, root 3 by 2. 60 means pi by 3. So sine square x is equal to sine square pi by 60 degrees. It is in the form of, we have the formula in the trigonometric equations. In the exam also we need to write this star mark compulsorily. If sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha, then the general solution is, GS means general solution based on this, theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. So it is in the form of sine square theta equal to sine square alpha, where theta is x here, alpha is pi by 3. Therefore, the general solution is x is equal to, in place of theta x, in place of alpha pi by 3, n pi plus or minus pi by 3, n belongs to z. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the another question. The next question, solve 4 sin x sin 2x sin 4x equal to sin 3x. So first given equation you have to write it. 4 sin x sine 2x into sine 4x is equal to sine 3x. This can be written as 2 sine x. So 2 into, here 2 is the 2 to the 4 anyway, sine x is there. So sine 4x into sine 2x is equal to sine 3x. This bracket value is of the form 2 sine A sine B. 2 sine A sine B means cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So this is A, this is B. So 2 sine x, key bracket, cos of A plus B, A minus B, cos x minus 2x minus cos of A plus B, 4x plus 2x, 6x is equal to sine 3x. Once again I'll repeat, 2 sine A sine B, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Next, actual multiplication, 2 sine x into cos 2x minus 2 sine x into cos 6x is equal to sine 3x. Here, this term I am going to write 2 into, always the bigger one you write it first. So the bigger one is what? 2 cos 2x into cosine x minus 2 cos 6x into sin x is equal to sin 3x. So this is in the form of 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B means sin of 2 cos A sin B. So always sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. This is A, this is B. Sin of A plus B, 2x plus x, 3x minus sin of A minus B, 2x minus x, x. So these values will be over. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Minus, you keep it like this only. This is 2 cos 6x. Why? Because here sin x is there, no, even here also sin x is there. That is the reason I am keeping here. Sin 3x. Both the sides, sin 3x term is going to cancel. So later on, minus sin x take common. 1 plus 2 cos 6x is equal to 0. So minus sin x equal to 0 means sin x equal to 0, or 1 plus 2 cos 6x equal to 0. Two solutions are there, dear students. One is sin x is equal to 0. The general solution, sin when it equal to, this is the direct one, sin theta equal to 0. So directly I am also writing sin x is equal to 0 means sin theta equal to 0. General solution. So general solution of sin x is equal to 0 is x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. But come to here, 2 cos 6x is equal to minus 1. So cos 6x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 in terms of cos, we need to do like this, dear students. Cos 6x equal to minus cos 60 degrees. 60 means pi by 3. If you remove this cos, minus cos 6x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Minus cos theta, no, so cos pi minus. Cos 6x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So it is in the form of cos theta equal to cos alpha if Then theta equal to general solution. Then the general solution is 2n pi plus or minus alpha where n belongs to z. This formula we are going to apply. In place of theta, 6x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha value 2 pi by 3. So now, both sides 2 take common. Here also 2 times of 3x. So 2 times of n pi plus or minus pi by 3. 2 to get cancelled. So 3x equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So x I want. X is equal to n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 9 where n belongs to z. These are the solutions of given equation, dear students. I hope you people understand. We'll move on to the next question. Very important thing is we need to apply transformations. So very important here. 2 sin A sin B cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B here. Here 2 cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B formula. The next question. Solve sin 2x minus cos 2x equal to sin x minus cos x. So first, given equation you have to write it. Given equation sin 2x minus cos 2x is equal to sin x minus cos x. So all these values I am taking this side, dear students. So sin 2x, next to sin x we can take this side, minus sin x, keep bracket for these two. Minus cos x we can take this side. So already minus cos 2x plus cos x is there now. In the next step, sin 2x minus sin x, minus take common, cos 2x minus cos x, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2x plus x, 3x by 2, sin c minus d by 2, 2x minus x, x by 2, minus cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin 3x by 2, into cos, sin only will come, c minus d by 2, so x by 2. So in this 2 sin x by 2 take common, dear students. So cos 3x by 2 plus sin 3x by 2 is equal to 0. So either this value 0 or this value 0. So sin x by 2 equal to 0 or cos 3x by 2 plus sin 3x by 2 equal to 0. So sin theta equal to the general solution. The GS of sin theta equal to 0 means theta equal to n pi. So where is theta here? Sin x by 2 equal to 0 is x by 2 equal to n pi where n belongs to z. X is equal to 2n pi. So one of the solutions, dear students. We'll move on to the another question, another case. So here what I am doing is dividing by cos 3x by 2. Both are same now. Cos 3x by 2, sin 3x. Otherwise this cos 3x by 2 we can take the same. Sin 3x by 2 is equal to minus cos 3x by 2. So cos 3x by 2 we can take this side. Sin 3x by 2 by cos 3x by 2 is equal to minus 1. So sin by cos, tan. So tan 3x by 2 is equal to minus 1. Tan when it will be equal to 1, minus 1 means 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. Minus tan theta means tan of minus theta. So minus pi by 4. So tan 3x by 2 equal to. Again we have general solution. So if tan theta equal to tan alpha, then general solution is theta equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. In place of theta, what value is there? 3x by 2. So general solution GS is 3x by 2 equal to n pi plus alpha value minus pi by 4. N belongs to z. I want x value. So first 2 we can take this side. 3x is equal to. So each and every term dividing, multiplying by 2 by 3, better. So 2 by 3 into 3x by 2. So 2 by 3 into n pi minus pi by 4 into 2 by 3. Better. So x will come 2n pi by 3 minus 2 ones 2 twos. So pi by 6. Where n belongs to z. Therefore, this is the solution of given trigonometric equation. I hope you understand it, students. Thank you for watching our channel. Still any doubts are there, write to my comment box. In my free time, I will help you. Thank you all. We'll meet with another concept in the another video. Jai Hind. Maths with Panindra.